Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Signal application PIN. First of all, launch the Signal app open on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged in. From the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Click on Settings. Under Settings, tap on the Account button. Under Account, tap on Change Your PIN and then go ahead and enter your new PIN in the text box. After typing down the 4 digits PIN, click on Next. Re-enter the PIN once again and click Next. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your PIN code on Signal application. Remember to keep your PIN confidential and avoid sharing it. Your PIN helps protect your message, contacts, and profile info on Signal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.